right, they said it's not filtering through. It starts to slow down, and then somebody says, hey, this isn't working, and they stab a hole in the paper, and then the debris gets through, clogs you up in here, and in the actual back of the pump, and you are done, and nothing will flow, which is what we got going on now. So we got to get this emptied, and then I'll make sure the pipes are clear. Take it from there. All right, so here's our hood system that, yeah. That'll do it. So it works. Just need a new belt. We should have that. They said it's been a while since they've had it cleaned. So we need to set up a cleaning for them for sure. But there you go. That back up and running. Let's go downstairs and take a look at the filter machine. They said isn't filtering proper. Okay, so these things are whole systems. Like, they're components, but they're components of a larger system. So the hood is bringing the air out, and this makeup air unit is bringing it back in. So, look, right? I just leave and don't actually look at the whole system, we're gonna have a different problem. I just dropped that belt in there. But yeah, I mean, this is obviously shot. Change it today while we're here. Don't have to have them deal with having downtime. Don't have to get a phone call early in the morning that says my hoods aren't working and then rearrange my day either. It's win-win. All right, let's put this new belt on. There we go. These are nice because you can adjust the motor just with these. Put more tension on it. Dial it in. All right, so now our exhaust system is healthy. Now we go look at the filter machine downstairs. All right, so look in the viewport. See how you see the burner running? There's a sign here. If you see blue, it's very poor. Improper air. Adjust the air shutter. So you loosen this little bolt right here. The problem is there's too much air. If I cramp that down, you can watch the infrared burners go from blue. See how it's changing colors to red? Proper burner. So you have these infrared burners on the side. I've actually got two ordered. They've been on order forever for another location. We'll do a video on how to replace those. But yeah, now we have proper burner. Should recover quick. 270 on this side I had already dialed in. Everything's a greasy mess. The problem they had was it wasn't pumping the oil back up, and I just showed them in here. I've simulated with this pan. There's a weight that sits on the paper, and then there's a tray that has to sit in here that creates the air pocket. See how it's sucked to the bottom right there? So the paper was sucking itself to the bottom and then clogging up the hole, not leaving anywhere for the oil to go. So putting this little temporary pan in here created that gap over the hole, and then it allows oil to move. So we don't see it immediately, but it was here. I mean, this machine's been here, so we just got to find it. But that's their oil filtering woes, and it's not assembled properly. It's missing a component. So let me start getting this grease off the floor, and we're on the home stretch.